Cherokee traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, left base for runway 5.
The Roman on base at Cherokee, do we got time to get out in front of you?
You can go ahead, I'm still turning final 6 Romeo Delta.
Cherokee traffic, Sky 66 Delta is going to be taking off runway 5. It'll be a right turn out to the southeast, Cherokee traffic.
Cherokee traffic, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, turning final for runway 5. Have the Cessna inside. We're on now, final for run 5. Looks like the winds are blowing from this way. Gonna be a sporty landing.
Traffic not available.
Cherokee 66 Delta, climbing out 5. The right turn out to the south. Right turn out to the southeast. Cherokee traffic.
Alright, that was a bit sporty. Probably not gonna go back and land there. It's always a trip. This airport.
No traffic, Aero 5.
There's no need to push my luck.